We talked about energy being strong. We have this OKE and this very tight flag near its recent highs, not all-time highs, but near its recent 52-week highs. That I can look to buy up through 72 versus 69. I can risk $3. Very low risk, trade there in a relatively shrunk sector.
Can I cut you off there?
Yeah.
So this OKE, it reminds me of this ED. I had an alert for this ED a couple weeks ago, and it was like such a perfect flag, and I'm like, do I really want to buy a breakout in Con Edison? This flag at 90, and it was just the most simple, easy trade, and that's just the action we're seeing. It's not the names everyone's used to, but you look at this entry through 90. It was such an easy trade. It's such a great breakout. So that OKE should definitely get a lot more attention than maybe we're giving it, just based off what we've been seeing.
Yeah.